All of these intros and title screens were created using a free app called Legend, available for Android and iOS. You can of course incorporate all of these elements into your own YouTube videos or any videos that you want. Let's pop in here, man. There's already some pre-filled out text. You can of course type in whatever you want, but for now, let's just hit the icon there. You can add your own pictures, take a picture. You can even search for pictures, but let's just select that for now. And then we can come through here and you can choose different motion presets, a bunch of different ones to go through. Pretty easy app to figure out overall. And then whenever you find the motion that you want, go ahead and customize your text colors and your background there. You can head into settings. We can even export this up to 1080p, which of course is great for incorporating into your own YouTube videos. There's a few different ways to share. We can create a GIF right here or a GIF right there. You can of course use your share icon and save the video to your phone. You can then of course use that element within a video editor on your phone or export it to your computer, which by the way, that will be in the Legend folder. Lastly, we'll back up a little bit here and we can actually search for pictures. So just type in whatever you want and you can search Flickr for pictures for background elements if you don't have your own that you want to pull from your device or take a picture. Then scroll through, find whatever it is you want. Okay, that works well. Adjust your bounds. All right, and now you have a different background there. Again, type in whatever text that you want, and there you are. Then you have your video. Go ahead and export that. You can even make full YouTube videos of just text with background pictures or no backgrounds. The link to download this free app will be in the description below.